Thinking about what the big brands out there are using to sell more of the product and reaching their audience with less cost, that it is email marketing. And that is why small businesses or developing and struggling businesses out there are supposed to be using email marketing. So if you have a business that is kind of small and you're thinking about the email marketing strategies that you can use for your business, and you can adopt and start getting a reasonable result, then stick with me in this short tutorial, because I'm going to be talking about these strategies and how it can favor you. My name is Maverick and I'm going to be your tutor for today, so let's dive deep to this tutorial. The first one right here we have is using paid or free method to build your email list. Okay, so you have to build your email list, which is very important. If you don't have an email list, then there is no how you will do email marketing. Okay, there is nobody you're going to be sending emails to, and the ways you can build your email list is by using Facebook, Google Ads, which is the paid method. You can use Facebook ads or Google Ads to build your email list, or you can use the SAP ranking or social media. When it comes to SAP ranking, we have the Google ranking, whereby you optimize your website, or just find a way to rank at the top of Google, and getting people to click on your link, your website, checking out what you have right there, and being able to give them something that they can use to sign up, and sign up to your email list, and they can be your subscriber. Another way is through using social media. Now, social media is another important method that you can use to build your email list. You can have social media pages on Facebook, Instagram. A lot of businesses out there are using Instagram to crush, and sell a lot of their products, but not a lot of them are building their email list because they just rely on Instagram. But the fact is that anything can happen. Your followers can just go, and Instagram can just decide to block your account. Anything can happen. So it is always good that you build your email list. That is why it is important. Even when it comes to SAP ranking, Google can just decide to, de-rank your website and throw you to page 10, where people will not even be able to see you. It happens a lot. The only way you can survive is by building your email list. It is very, very important. And a lot of businesses out there are just throwing this away. They don't even care about it. And at the end of the day, when Google decide to, beat them, or Instagram and Facebook decide to cause a trauma, they just stay, reckless, and they don't know what to do. But those that are wise enough to, know how everything works, and know that, okay, when I build my email list, this is the audience that I own, and I can keep sending out, anything, I can keep promoting to them for the rest of my life. So building email list is the first thing when it comes to email marketing. Now the second is offering coupons in your email. Okay, it is also cool that you offer coupons, because when you offer coupons, I don't know if you receive emails from Amazon or AliExpress where they offer you coupons, and it makes you to just want to take action. Okay, maybe even during Black Fridays and all that, a lot of coupons, it kind of motivates somebody to take action, and to making a purchase. And the best way you can use your email marketing wisely as a small business is offering coupon. A coupon works for anything digital and physical products. If you're in the e-commerce niche, you can offer a lot of coupons. Also, if you're maybe in the digital product niche, whereby you sell informational products or educational products, you can offer coupons to your product, and it can get them motivated to quickly buy. Maybe you have just 10% off or 20% off, or whatever it is. You can, maybe it's even a bonus, as a anything. Just offering of coupons works very well, and doing it in your email is gonna encourage them to make that purchase as quick as possible. Okay, so now we have the third one here, using email to remind them of items in cart. Okay, this happens a lot. Have you tried to purchase something from all this e-commerce store, or maybe an educational store? Maybe you want to buy this software or whatever it is, or maybe this new clothes or anything, maybe this new dress or whatever it is you just want to buy, and you just add them to your cart and you leave them hanging. So what happens? The big brands out there, they don't just leave you alone and just be like, oh, this person is not interested, or let me just leave this person, don't let me care. And all these brands on social media, Instagram, they don't have this feature, because if somebody should just decide to be like, okay, I want to buy something, and they don't come back, that is the end. Or you still have to keep pitching them manually or by yourself. But when it comes to email, you've automated everything, and you can remind them that, okay, you have an item in the cart and you've not purchased them, please don't forget to buy. Or just, you won't have to beg them, but you just have to add some stuff to read. Although I have an opportunity I have for you at the end of this video, which you can quickly grab, so that you can be able to craft email copies that can easily sell fast. Okay, so these emails copies are kind of done for you, okay, which you can just easily use and load them to sell a lot of product. We have the fourth is segmenting your list. Always try to segmentize your list. Let's say, for example, you have an e-commerce store where you sell fashion products. You can have some audience that are interested in clothing materials. Some can be interested in footwears. Some can be interested in makeup materials. So it depends on whatever it is your website or your brand, your business is all about. And if it's not e-commerce, if it's maybe real estate or whatever, you can just decide to segmentize them, based on the interest that they showed when they are interacting with you. So segmenting your list is very, very important because it makes you to send lists directly to people who are interested in what you're talking about. And this way you can increase your click-through rate and your open rate and also make a lot of sales. Okay, the reason why you see a lot of people have low open or click-through rates is because they're sending emails to people that are not interested in what they are trying to promote. Okay, but when what you're promoting is something they are interested in, even if you're not promoting, even if it's that you're just trying to remind them of something, so far it's something they're interested in, they're surely gonna open your email and click your email and also make a purchase. So segmenting your list is very, very important because it helps you send emails directly to a particular list. Now we have the fifth on the list, which is the last, is using automation. Okay, now if you don't know about automation, then you're really, really wasting a lot of effort. Okay, when it comes to email automation, there are a lot of tools out there. We have Aweber, ConvertKit, MailChimp, a lot of them out there. GetResponse, ActiveCampaign. Those are email automation tools. Okay, they are email autoresponder. I use Aweber and it's been helping me a lot in my internet marketing journey. So if you don't have an email autoresponder, then you need to get one, and I recommend Aweber. Yeah, the link in the video description is going to take you to where you can sign up for a free account on Aweber, and you can use it to create landing pages. You don't even need to have a website for you to build your email list. You can use it, your landing page, to easily just create a landing page, and you can generate a link which you can start giving out and build more email subscribers. Okay, so email automation is important because with an email autoresponder you can automate your emails, which you can just load a lot of emails and it can keep sending out even while you're not there. That is the joy of email marketing, not you having to press send or publish all the time all by yourself. No, it's something that you can quickly just schedule down. You can schedule 10, 50, whatever, 70 emails or 30 emails that you want to schedule down. You can schedule down there and you can just load everything up and it can keep sending at your desired time. Okay, so that is the joy of email automation. And if you want that to happen, then you can use Aweber. And I hope this is very helpful. This brings us to the 5 strategies that I believe small businesses should be using for their email marketing journey. However, I think one of the most difficult things for email marketers to do, because we have a lot of stuff we are doing, except if you're fully into email marketing. But I think one of the most difficult things for us is writing our email copies. Okay, so it's very difficult for you to, if you're the kind of person that you do a lot of stuff out there and you still have to craft email copies, it's one of the most difficult thing to do. That is why I decided to find a solution for myself, because I'm this kind of lazy guy. Okay, not that lazy, but I kind of want to spend precious time with my family and myself also. So I decided to get hands on this 5001 email swipe. So yes, this email swipes are being used by a reputable internet marketing coach and a scholar, and in his 22 years or close to 23 years in his online and email marketing, these are the email swipes that he has used to sell thousands of products and to make millions of dollars in profit. Okay, so these email swipes are what he has used, and he decided to just get all of them together and give it out to you and I. Even those who are successful in email marketing get their hand on these 5001 email swipes. So these 5001 email swipes are what you can just easily tweak and just change some stuff and load it into your autoresponder, or just schedule it down to your email blaster or whatever it is, and just keep sending it out to your subscribers. So this way you won't have to spend hours or even minutes or whatever to keep crafting emails that you will send out to your subscribers. This is how I do my stuff because I don't really have much time. So I have this email swipes that I use. It consists of 5001, just like I said, and trust me, you can't even finish 5001 because these are email swipes of 22 years of his journey. So just imagine you can't even finish maybe 1000 in I don't know, maybe in 2 years or 3 years. Now, why am I recommending this to you and why am I telling you to get your hands on it? Number one, it saves you time. The time you have to keep crafting emails and keep writing, where you have other things out there you need to do. And if you're somebody like me that don't really like writing email copies, then you know it's very difficult, because I find it very difficult writing email copies all the time for a promotion, especially if you are in a niche whereby you have several products that are being released almost every time. So you having access to these email swipes saves you time because you don't have to keep crafting emails from the scratch, or you having to keep staring at the cursor and wondering what exactly you're gonna write to your audience. But these are email swipes that are working, that have worked rather, and are working for a lot of people. And all you have to do is just to tweak things there, and you can load it into your responder, and it keeps sending out. And the second thing is that it saves you money. Now think about it, if you're kind of new in email marketing, or even if you're not new but you have a list that is just maybe a couple of thousands, or maybe you're in 5,000 list or 10,000 list, anything below 10,000 email subscriber list, I suggest you use this swipe, because you cannot consider to hire email copywriters that are going to be helping you write your email copies, because how much you're going to get charged per hour. Email copywriters charge at least $10 per hour, $20 per hour. This is kind of too much for you because you want to be able to save a lot and ton of money. But when you have access to these, you don't have to keep spending money on these email copywriters for them to write emails for you because you already have something that already work and you can easily just tweak and load into your autoresponder and just keep making your affiliate commission. And the third one is that you can also use these to make money for yourself. Like there are several people out there who are looking for email copywriters to help them to write emails for their affiliate promotion. There's a lot of top guys out there, even coaches who kind of are looking for email copywriters. You can also use this to make money and just apply to become the copywriter, and you just tweak things and send it to them and you're good to go. If you want to get your hands on these email swipes today, just click the link in the video description, okay? Or if you check the screen now, you're gonna see a link there. You can write it out and paste it to your browser, or check the link in the video description. You're gonna see it on email swipes. Click on the link and you can get access to the email swipes today. So this will help you in your email marketing journey. Either you're an email copywriter or you're an email marketer who you just sell through email marketing. This is something that will help you out. You don't have to keep stressing yourself to write emails every single day, or keep thinking of what you're gonna send out to your email subscribers. This is gonna help you. This is what I use, and this is what big guys out there also use to make life more easier for themselves. And remember, if you are to hire an email copywriter to help you write all your emails, you know how much that is gonna cost, because some copywriters charge as low as $10, $20 per hour just to help you write email. So this is something you can eliminate and not have to spend money to hire email copywriters or waste time in writing email copies. So let me see you right there if you are interested. Once again, click the link in the video description or check the link on the screen right now and paste it on your browser, and hopefully it helps you in your marketing journey. Peace.